Hello guys, welcome to this video. In that video, we made sure that we can change what our player one selected, and it's going to be changed on the board. I can see here. So okay, so we're going to do the same thing for that of player two. As of now, this is not yet fully efficient right now, because let's say in a situation I decide to enter. Okay, let's run it and see. Let's say I entered player one select. I selected that of X, for example, player one. Yeah, as I said to them, I was prone to choose where you want to play between, and I decided to enter it. You can see nothing is going to be displayed. Maybe I enter something. Now, once in the situation, if I enter it, you can see enter the proper number from board if available. You see it was not part of our option. So I'm still going to handle that in a situation whereby, since this is int, and then we decide to enter, let me run it again. We decide to enter something like string. Let's say entered X, and then we decide to enter something like Peter, for example, because some players can be funny. Can say we're going to mess up our code. We're still going to handle that later, but before that, let's do for that of player to bring this down. So the player one and player two are just basically going to have the same thing. Let me just copy and then I'm going to modify some things here. Now, be wondering why I want to copy board two. I want to copy this board because in case the player two is done, the condition is being done being meeting, I want it to also update. So let me copy paste. So I played this is for that of player one, and let me change this to 2. So if you just if you're using VS Code, just hold Control H, because I want to do something. I want to change a lot of things here, because here is player 2, so I want the player 2 to be build one to be handling the condition. So just Control H on your VS Code or your any this in any IDE. So Control H is going to prompt you with something like this. So just take this. I'm going to explain. So I'm going to look for this. So this PPL2, I'm going to look for it. Sorry, I'm going to, let me take this. So I made a mistake. So I'm going to look for this, guys. I want to change it to this PP2. So you can see where it say replace. So let me start from the first one. Let me go down. Okay, so this guy, I want to change it to PPL2. So just come here, replace. So keep on till you are done with it. So make sure when you're done, when you are replacing, don't change for that of the first one. So you can see this is now clean. So we can also change it to be 2. So we know that we're dealing with player 2 right here. So I think that just basically it. Okay, there's no problem. Right, okay, also because this PLY is for that of player for that of player 1, so we can change it manually by, you can say, but the one for player 2. So but let me use this like how we did. So I'm going to find this, then I'm going to change it with, let's say set it to 2. So let me start with the first one. To bring out this in, just use Control H, and then you're going to pop out. So that is anything that player 2 entered is going to, if it's 1, post 1 is going to be changed to that of player 2 in case of X or 0. So let's run and see this. Okay, player 1 select between X or O. Let's say I set to be X. So it's going to be player 1, you are X, and player 2, you are 0. Player 1, your turn. Choose where you want to play between 1 to 9. Let's say I said to play in number 5. So you can see 5 got changed. Here was where 5 was. And then player 2, your turn. Choose where you want to play between 1 to 9. Let's say I want to play this play that is 9. So now click selected 9 here. You can see it got changed. You're able to manipulate the variable to change the values in our board. We're also going to handle a lot of conditions here, but let it give us the understanding of how what we are doing in this video. So I think we have come to the end to this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, also like, you can also share too if you feel like. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.